point to Spearman, Texas on his re-ride. He's drawn Barstool. Well, it didn't work out tonight. We pitched a shutout. We want to say thank you to our friends at the Phillies. God bless you tonight and every night until we see you again next year. Until then, be good, be safe, and we'll see you somewhere down the rodeo trail.